Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have these two lovely little flower coaster moulds, or little, I guess, trinket dish moulds, although they're not really dishes, that I am planning chameleon powders. Ta-da! So we have bronze and plum, and normally, well, I don't know if it's normal. I've seen most people brush the chameleon powder onto the mould and then put resin in with like a black resin in to make this shimmery and poppy. I'm actually going to do the chameleon powder into resin. So I've got 2 cups of resin mixed up. I'm going to put a bit of chameleon powder in each, and then if there's any space left over once I've poured this in, I'm going to come back and do a black background. I should probably come up with some way of measuring, maybe a little spoon or something, but for now we're just doing the tap method. I shall call it to make it sound professional. Cool, 2 very different colours, but that's exactly what I wanted. So I want to see the difference in them. I want them to be different once they're finished. Ooh, that's a lovely colour. Bronze. Oh yeah, wow, it does go more bronzy. I was worried that it would actually be quite green. It looked very green in the pot, but you just have to trust the labels. Like a greeny gold. Ooh, swamp gold. Shrek's gold. Right. Then I'm just going to pour in. And like I said, come back and do a black background if I've got space, but I don't think I'll have that much. No, I don't think I'm going to have any space for a black background, that's fine. Let that spread itself out. Yeah, that mould's very full. This one. Sure that's not on a flat bit. Is that flatter? Just let that spread for a little bit. I'm using the ta-da! The Decor ROM epoxy resin with the nice pump top. It's my favourite way to get resin out so far. I'm really not a fan of having to measure it out or weigh it. I love just doing a pump of each and it's done. But it is, I found, for me anyway, a much thicker resin compared to what I'm used to, so it spreads a lot slower than what I'm used to, but that's fine. I have to have patience. Right. We're not going to do a black background because they're both full, so I'll see you when they're done and we can demould and see what we think. So everything is now nice and set. Don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. They're quite shimmery. Oh, there you go. If I get out really close, you can see the shimmer. And that one. And in this one, how pretty. So this is our copper colour. So I'm excited to see what the other side looks like, because this is very green to me, and copper in my head is more orange, but we'll see. Still love this colour. So I'm just going to jump in, start demoulding, coming out nice and easy. Keep it face down. Mould is nice and clean, popping that little bit in there. Get it? Yeah. Nice and clean. Now this one. Again, coming out nice and easy. Oh, exciting. Just a little bit there of over pour. Right, one at a time we'll do. So, this one first. Ooh, pretty. Love all the details that we got in there as well from the mould. That's really pretty. Love that. Love how, is it going to pick it up? Shimmer. Look at the shimmer. So it is very much the same colour as what you see on the back. So mixing the mica powder into the resin has given us the same effect on the front and the back, which is quite nice because then you have consistency. This one. Ooh, that one's pretty as well. Different type of centre on that one, as you can see. Which one do I like the most? This one's definitely got more gold shimmeriness on this side compared to the back, I think. Or maybe it's just because it's got a pattern on it that I'm seeing it more. I love both of them. I think they're really cool. Lovely coasters, a lovely gift for somebody. Awesome. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Which one's your favourite? What do you think of copper? Do you think it's supposed to be more like a burnt orange, or is copper green to you? I don't know. Still love the colour though. Still happy with it. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.